Okay, so from here, how many lengths are there? So we can have L as our L and our W. Our L can be 1, the other one is 32. This one is 2, the other one is 31, and so on. So up to 32, up to 1. So how many all in all do we have? How many possible perimeters that we have? We have 32 divided by 2. That is 16. So there are 16 perimeters. Take note that we cannot have 33 and 0. Why? 30 and 33 and 0, no? Because we cannot have side length 0. So that is why we will start with 1 and 32. Yes.
They say it's area, not perimeter.
Huh?
They say area is 66.
Area is 66, not perimeter is 66. Please check again.
Perimeter. How many different perimeters, possible value of the perimeter are here?
Only 4. The answer is 4.
Oh.
Okay, the answer is 4.
Yes, 4 too.
Given the rectangle is 66, the area is 66 of the rectangle. 66, that is 6 times 11. Area is 66, so xy is equal to 66. Okay, given the area, the side lengths are integers. Okay, so 66 is equal to 2 times 3 times 11. Okay, so how many perimeters that we have? So we can try 2, 3, 2, 11, 3, 11. Okay, 2, 3, 2, 11, and 3, 11. So these are the possible. We only have possible perimeter, no? We can
About
have
66
6.
and 1. Teacher,
Yes.
the question 12, they said how many more, but not how many.
Okay, we are now on problem number 19. We will go back later on number
Do
12.
you speak Vietnamese?
66 and 1.
Oh no, I don't know.
So
Yes,
from here,
66 and 1.
we can also write
Mẹ
the
ơi, I don't know.
Con không có
Okay,
There's also
this
66 and 1, so.
we can also write 66 and 1. Okay, I'm not done yet. Now 66 and 1. Okay, no, not part of here. So this is the other side. No, 66 and 1, so we can have the perimeter for that. Okay, so the answer for number 9 is 4. There are 4 of them. Okay, number 20. A large square with perimeter 60 is divided into 15 smaller rectangles as shown. Okay, is this okay? This one.
Sure.
We will have this here. So I'll draw na lang here because it was erased.
Teacher, I don't understand that.
So that's why it is more like the square, but don't mind that one. So assuming that this is a rectangle, no? A rectangle with a large square divided into 15 smaller rectangles as shown in the figure below. What is the perimeter of the smaller rectangle? Okay, so from here, if you look at the sides, if this is the square, then
Yes.
you divide it by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means each of this is 12. 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 And this is 12. Now, if we divide this by 3, that means 60 divided by 3, that is 20. 20.
Teacher,
And
teacher,
this
it's
20.
perimeter. Teacher, it's perimeter.
I'm not done yet. What is the perimeter of the smaller rectangle? So that means
Please
our
check
smaller
again.
rectangle
How
is,
the perimeter is 60.
Bạn nào dịch giúp tôi được không? Tôi không hiểu.
we have,
Tôi khác gì đâu.
okay.
Why?
How can I erase this one? Okay, this is 10, no? This is 10. 10, 10. You divide it by 2 yet? Okay. This is 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. This is 30, so this is 30,
One
15,
side is 15 only. One
15,
side of the last square.
15, so 45. Wait lang, white side. This
Sir,
5. Wait lang ha. 5,
Brown.
5, 5.
Teacher.
Okay.
Sure, isn't it 10?
15, wait lang. 60. If this is 60, the perimeter is 60.
60 is a perimeter of the
So this
square.
is
So what
30.
length of the square
30.
is 15.
So 30 and 30. So this is 6, 6, 6. This is 10, 10, 10.
Sorry.
Please,
Is to
please
30.
read
So we
the
will
question
have,
carefully, please, teacher.
we
You are
have,
wrong.
what is,
What is
okay, from here, please wait.
Teacher, you mistake. The answer is 16.
Yes, please wait. So if the perimeter is 60 and this is a square, so divided by 4, that is divided by 4, that is 15. So if this is 15, this side here is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. And if this is also 15, the side here is 5, 5, 5. So basically, for a smaller block, okay, why are you running? So we have 5, 3, we have 5, this is 3, and that is equal to 16. Okay? Okay, my internet is not doing well. Okay, for number 21. Okay, who wants to solve for number 21?
Teacher.
Teacher,
Sure.
I see the lesson 20.
May I?
Me.
Paco po, please.
Okay, so what is your answer for number 21?
21 is 5.
Okay.
like
Okay, let
Five.
me fix my laptop first.
Sir.
Wait lang, let me fix my laptop first.
6, 7.
It's acting weird.
Bằng 2.
Có hiểu gì đâu.
1 cộng 1 bằng 2, ai chẳng biết.
Bằng 3 chứ.
6.
Một không một bằng mấy nhiêu bằng
Mà thằng nào biết 1 cộng 1 bằng 3 là người thông minh nhất được UNESCO công nhận.
Thầy lại đi đâu rồi?
Đi đầu thai.
em biết 1 cộng 1 bằng 6 thì
Thầy đi chơi
hơn
rồi
cả
bay
1
ơi.
cộng 1 bằng 3.
Máy tính của thầy lại chết máy rồi.
Không hiểu sao ban tổ chức lại có ấy như này nhỉ? Mình thấy có vấn đề nghiêm trọng luôn.
Yeah.
Number.
Tại vì máy của thầy bị nhiễm virus.
Dili siya register.
Thầy sửa lại được rồi.
Quá nhầm.
Teacher, is your computer okay now?
Máy tính của thầy bị sao ấy? Máy tính của thầy là bị brain rot rồi.
Stop.
Mày tính hơi bị thối não.
À,
Đúng rồi.
stop the count.
Thầy bảo please wait.
Đúng vậy.
Ủa thầy đang sửa máy tính.
Thầy đang sửa máy tính. Chắc máy thầy đang update.
Ôi, thầy đang sửa máy tính.
Máy thầy đen
Seven.
quá. Thầy chắc là
Thầy
Thầy bảo là I
thầy
fix
là
my
một
laptop
người.
first.
Then you are stupid video.
Máy thầy điểm sao?
Máy thầy bị làm sao đấy nhỉ? 2 lần rồi.
10 phút là bị một lần.
Thôi kệ đi.
better than 6,
Em thấy này lỏ. Lol. 6.
Không biết ai sẽ
6 or 7.
Rồi.
6, 7.
And anyone knows the
Yes,
rod?
yes.
55. The the teacher's laptop is 9.
Nhưng mà thầy
And
dùng
one
mà.
of the rod is the same.
Ê, còn ai ghi âm chưa? Còn ai ghi âm chưa?
Okay, so we are going to continue. So we'll start with we will continue with number 21. Find the length of the longest right-angled triangle that the lengths of the other two sides are 3 and 4 respectively. Okay, right-angled triangle. Two sides are 3 and 4 respectively. So right-angled triangle. So when you say right triangle in short, when you say right triangle, the length of the longest side is always the hypotenuse. Okay? The longest side is always the hypotenuse. So that means either this is the 3 and this is the 4, then the number here or the length here is the longest side. Okay? So from this, I will have what? What will you do? This is a common. The answer for this is 5. Longest side of the right angle triangle. So the answer is 5. How did we get 5? As early as now, I will introduce the Pythagorean theorem.
Không biết. Pythagore.
You have a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Your a here is the 3.
Mua 2 cộng B, mua
Your
2
b
bằng C,
here
mua
is the
2.
4.
Mua 2
And
cộng
your
4,
C
mua 2
is
bằng
the
7, mua
5.
2.
In a right triangle,
Hi.
the longest
Is it
side is what we call the hypotenuse. So in here, the answer is 5. 22. Okay, how many rectangles containing asterisks are there in this?
18. 18.
So how many in here? You have 3. From here, we will have 3.
And then
Here,
three.
we will have 3 also.
again. And 2.
And here, we have 2. That is
18.
equal to 18.
Ya kan?
18.
Quá xì. Thầy sửa máy tính tiếp rồi.
Okay, so number 23. Looking at the figure below, it shows a rectangle that is 15 centimeters long.
Teacher.
Yes.
I see the 22. Listen, 22.
What's the problem?
Yes.
Yes. Next.
Okay, 23. So from here, the figure below shows a rectangle that is 15 centimeters long. 15 centimeters long. Again, you are disturbing others. Please turn off your microphones. You have 15 and you have 10 here. A smaller rectangle that is 6 cm long, 6 cm long and 4 cm wide is out from the inside rectangle. Okay? Is cut from inside the rectangle. One side of the smaller rectangle is parallel to the length of the larger rectangle. Okay? And it is 3 centimeters from the left side and 2 centimeters from the right side, from the bottom. So this is 3. This is 3 from the left side. Oh, no. From the left side. So I will put the 4 inside. No. I will put the 4 here. This is the 4. Tapos this is 3. And 2 centimeters from the bottom side. So this is 2.
Cái 2 cái sau là cái sau đó.
So from there, what will you do? Find the area on perimeter of the remaining figure. So all you need to do, okay, area and perimeter of the remaining figure. So what is the area of the larger rectangle? The area of the larger rectangle is 150.
50.
Or this is equal to 15 times 10. That is 150. The smaller area,
It equals 24.
so 6 times 4, that is equal to 24. So all you need to do is to subtract 150 by 24. You will get 126. So this is the area of the remaining. No? But we are asked to find the perimeter also. So if this is 15, this is 15. So ang remaining, what is the perimeter of the remaining? This is 15 also. I know this is 10. This is
Equal.
is how much?
30.
Is 15, no? So here, if this is subtracted, the total length is 6. Tapos this is 3. So this is already equal to 9. So meaning, what is this? What is this length?
The perimeter.
What is the perimeter of this? 4. This is 4. This is 6. So the perimeter of this is 6, 6, 4, 4. That is 20. Perimeter of the inside, right? Inside. What is the perimeter of the outside? Perimeter of the outside is
150.
50.
outside.
50.
Okay. What is the perimeter of all in all?
17.
Hmm?
17.
So this is all. So this is the area. This is the perimeter. Because we are asked to find both. Okay? Number
Teacher.
24.
Teacher, I have one question for this problem.
Yes.
Number 23. You know, there are 2 keys for this question. So I want to ask you what question mark, punctuation mark is used to
Please.
separate 2 keys.
Please talk
Comma
slowly,
or
please.
semicolon. When a student write the answer key in the answer sheet. So
Okay.
not
Okay.
punctuation,
You can write either comma. You can write comma.
comma.
Yes. You should write the area first. Then
What about measurement unit?
no,
Students
the
have to
units are
write
not
measurement
required.
units or not?
The units are not required.
Teacher.
Not square unit.
Yes, the units are not required.
What is the purpose of
Just write the number.
Oh,
without
third
the
number.
units.
Third
What is
number.
the purpose
Yeah.
of there's 3 centimeter from the left side and 2 centimeter from the bottom side?
Yes, actually you don't need that one.
There is no 67.com.
Teacher.
Number 24. Okay, 3 cubes with an edge length of 3 centimeters are assembled to form a cuboid. So you have something like this.
Haha.
So this is 3, and this is 3 also. Okay, are assembled to form a cuboid. A small cube.
Teacher, that is a cuboid. That is a cube, not a cuboid.
With an edge length
that
of
is a
3 cm
cube.
are assembled to form a cuboid. Okay, find a small cube with an edge length 1 cm is then removed from the center of.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes,
After this, you are gonna send it
yes.
all the solutions because I forgot to screenshot some.
The recorded meeting will be sent to your email. Okay, a small cube with an edge length of 1 cm is removed from the center of one face of this cuboid. Find the surface area of the final shape. How will you do this one? Three cubes with an edge length of 3 are assembled to form a cuboid. So this is 1. So for example, this 1 and this 1. Okay, for example, from there, you will have what? A small cube with an edge of 1 is removed from the center of one face of this cuboid. So center of this 1. So if we look at the top side, okay, then you will have around 1. You get this part here. Okay, then what will you do? This part here. The question is find the surface area. If we find the surface area of this, we will subtract just the one part of that. So this will become 3. This is 3 by 9. Okay, times 2. Then this is also 3 by 9. This is 3 by 9 times 4. Plus 3 plus 2 times 3 by 3. That is 4 times 3 times 9. That is 108. Okay, plus 18. Then we subtract the inner part, which is 1. And okay, only 1, no? A small cube with an edge of 1 is then removed from the center. Okay, so we subtract 1. I don't know. Do not subtract 1. So this will be added by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So you will have 108 plus 18 plus 4. And that is equal to 130. So
How did you get 4?
if you have a bigger, this one, if you have a 3 by 3, this one. If this is a 3 by 3 cube, then you get the 1 by 1 outside from this inner part. Okay, what will be the surface area of this? Of course, that will be hollow inside. So that will be added by 4 instead of having 5. Okay, So this is equal to 130.
Phan béo chiếc Phan béo.
No.
Okay, so we are now on the last part. So we only have 20 minutes left. So the answer key will be sent to your email together with the recorded meeting.
Excuse me.
Okay.
I want to ask about the
Teacher.
Phan béo.
Number 25. Okay, we don't have any more time.
I
Number
don't
25.
understand number 24.
Okay, we'll go back on that. Okay, number
teacher.
25. Given a total weight of 2 apples and 6 oranges is 980 grams.
140.
And the weight of an orange is the same as the 2 apples. Okay.
Rolex.
So how many grams is an orange? So we have 2 apples.
Với Phan béo.
2 apples plus 6 oranges. So I'll put oranges as R. Is equal to 980. So if you divide this by 2, A plus R is equal to 490. And the weight of an orange, the orange is the same as 2 apples.
Niềm chiếc Phan béo. Niềm chiếc Phan béo.
Apples. How many grams is an orange? Okay, so for R, you have R plus 6R, that is equal to 980. Your 7R is equal to 980. What is your value for this? What is your R? Your R is equal to 140. Okay? The question is how many grams is an orange? So therefore, R is 140 grams. You can answer 140 only. Okay? Number 26. Peter has 25 coins composed of $1 and $2. Given that he has 40 in total, how many coins does he have? Okay? So we have X plus Y. So let natin X
I can see in the board.
be the number of $1 coin. Okay, $1 muna. $1 coin. Y for $2 coin. Okay? Then from here, what will you do? Okay, you will have what? X plus Y is equal to 25 and X plus 2Y is equal to 40. Okay, so from here, we have X plus Y is equal to 25 and X plus 2Y is equal to 40. You subtract this one. You will have Y is equal to 15. So if Y is equal to 15 and X plus Y is equal to 25, your X is equal to 10. Okay, so the answer for this is 10. There are 10 $1 coins.
Teacher.
Yes.
Why is Y? I have studied this one. Why is Y equal to 15?
Y is equal to 15. 40 minus 25. What is the value? 40 minus 25?
15.
Okay, that is 15. Number 27, considering 2-digit numbers which does not contain 1, 4, 5, or 7, what is the difference between the number of odd numbers and that of even numbers? Okay, 2-digit numbers without this one. So meaning, for the 2-digit numbers, we only need 2, 3, 6, 8, 9, and 0. Okay? So what is the difference between the number of odd numbers? So, and that of even numbers. So, what are the odd numbers? Okay, we have 9 here.
9 and 3.
Okay, you list all the odd numbers. We have 23,
23,
29, 23 and 29. What more? 63 and 69, 83 and 89. Of course, 39 and 93. These are our odd numbers, right? What are our even numbers?
Even number is 32, 36,
20,
38,
30, 60, 80.
80,
Why
90.
don't do the 33?
Huh?
Why didn't you do the 33?
We don't have 33, that's 39.
Because it's odd numbers.
Only one.
You cannot for this it is considered not repeating. We have 32, 62,
But
82.
didn't say don't repeat. It didn't
Yeah,
say
but it is always understood but that you are not going to repeat your number for this kind of problem. Okay?
Okay.
So after this one, how many even numbers are there all in all?
Yeah, Donna, please. Yeah. Donna, please.
How many numbers are there or how many even numbers are there all in all?
Teacher, Donna, please.
28.
Huh?
Teacher, you mentioned 26, 28.
38. There are 38. Okay. So you can list all of them and you will get 38. Then how many odd numbers did we get? 8. So 38 minus 8
Equal 30.
30.
30.
Okay? For number 29.
30.
No, not 28 pa. Okay, there are 21 chickens and goats in the farm. Okay, 21 chickens. So goats plus chicken is equal to 21. The total number of legs is 2 chicken plus 4 goats is equal to 72.
15.
Okay, how many goats are there in the farm? So from here, we can simplify
I know.
plus 4G as C plus 2G is equal to 36. So you will have C plus G is equal to 21.
Number 6.
C plus 2G is equal to 36. You subtract them. You will have G is equal to 15. So there are 15 goats in the farm.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 29. So we don't have more other time, no? Please, I still have my next class at exactly 3 o'clock. So you can review the recorded meeting later together with the solution manual. So for number 29,
G.
okay, for number 29, there are 8 balls of each colors. So there are 8 red, 8 yellow, 8 blue, and 8 green. They are placed in an opaque bag. What is the minimum number of balls that must be drawn to guarantee that there are 4 balls of the same color and that there is at least 1 ball of each color? So how will we do this one?
Yeah.
You simply get the 8 plus 8 plus 8. Then what is the next number that we add?
Okay, cap.
We add 4. Okay, very good. So this is equal to 24. So the answer is 28.
28.
Okay, this is to ensure No, this is to ensure that there will
Yes.
be 4 balls each.
But why did add all? You already made 4. You already made 8. It's more than 4.
This is the list.
Okay.
This is to ensure, no, at least 1 ball of each color. So this is the minimum number of balls.
28.
Okay.
No, but you already got over 4 balls. You got 8.
Bài 29 nhé.
You got 8 of the same color.
Okay, from
3
here
times.
you already get the
Teacher.
balls from the 3 colors. So this is the maximum that you can get. Then for you to ensure that you will get all 4 with 4 balls,
Thì what's
you get
it mean?
only 4.
Ball must be
It's already 4 balls of the same color. 8 is
có màu
over.
giống nhau.
I think the answer is 25.
Nó phải ấy được.
25
Okay.
is enough.
One ball for each color.
Number 30.
4 màu đó có
Using
một
5
màu.
digits.
Bây giờ nó có mấy cách.
Your TV is on. Wait lang.
Con nhớ
Using the 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can form 3-digit numbers without repeating any digits, where the 10th digit is an odd. So 3 digits, we can form 3 digits numbers. Tapos the 10th digit is odd. This should be an odd number. And the 100th digit is greater than the units digit. So this is greater than the units digit. So if ever this is 1, if
Or
ever
is
this
it on,
is
Emma?
1, what are the possible values or 3-digit numbers for this? The 100th digit is greater than the units digit. So if you can have this one, we have 5, 1, okay, 5, 1, 2. We can have 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 4. We can have 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2. We can have 3, 1, 2, and no other things if our digit is 1. If our digit here is 3, the odd number, we can have 5, 3, 1, 5,
3, 2, 5, 3,
5,
4.
3,
5, 3, 1.
4. So these are the things. We have 4. We have 4, 3, 2. What's the next one? 4, 3, 1. So of course we cannot have 3 in here. No, you can only have 2, 3, 1. And lastly, if we have here 5, so of course you can have 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 3. If this is 3, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 2. If this is 2, 2, 5, 1.
con lên Nguyễn
So
rồi.
you will have how many? You will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 each.
18.
So you will have 6 plus 6 plus 6. That is equal to 18. Okay. So again, the complete manual will be sent by your by the Motley together with the link for the recorded meeting. So that's all. I'll see you. Good luck on your TIMO. And if you have questions, you can ask your questions to the Motley. Okay, to the organizers.
Okay. Bye-bye, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.